Hi, I'm Jennifer, and today we're going to be decluttering my whole entire house. We are going to go room by room, step by step, drawer by drawer, and cabinet by cabinet. We are going to start off with health and beauty items. First of all, they're the easiest things to get rid of. I have no sentimental attachment to any of them. I have started off taking things out of my linen closet that I know I just don't really use, or I don't like, or it's actually used up. I've used up this facial lotion. I have some fingernail polishes here that are really old and not in very good condition. I have some used up chapsticks and some lip gloss, some makeup remover. I'm going to go through and declutter these items. I'm going to move on to the cold medicines next. I'm going to go through and look for any expired cold medicines that need to be thrown away. I found 2 complete bags of health and beauty and hygiene products to throw away. When starting to sort your papers, always start with things that are easiest for you to part with. I'm going to start with recipes. I have just gone through all of these recipes. I had hundreds of recipes and I still have more to go. I had some travel magazines, places I've already been. I don't need to keep the memories with the travel flyer. I already have the memories and my pictures, and I'll never forget going to those places. Look how many hundreds of recipe cards I've gone through. It's so easy to throw these out because I've already made or tried the recipes, and maybe I don't like them, or I've decided I'm really not going to make all of these things anyway. Day 2 of paper decluttering. I have so many old papers I didn't need. The most important ones with information on them I shredded. These are just old papers and recipes I can throw away. I'll put them in the recycling bin. When decluttering, I've realized I don't need to save the boxes for everything. I don't need instructions on things that I use every day, all the time. I've had these items for quite some time, so I definitely don't need the instructions or the box. I saved these pages from my passport, from my expired passport that is, just so I could see all the stamps of the places I'd been. However, I don't need these to remember all of the trips I've been on and all the places I've gone. This is just a waste of space and just extra things to keep up with. These travel bags came with some different things I got for filming, some tripods and lights and different things like that, but I've never once used them in 3 years, so it's time for me just to get rid of these. Bags like this just take up extra space. If I'm not going to use them, I'd rather not have them in my space. All they do is cause me stress of worrying where to put them and what to do with them. Make sure you always shred anything that has personal information. Here I have a couple of knives to donate. They've been sharpened way too many times, and I've already replaced them with new ones. I'm going to package them carefully so no one gets injured at the donation center. Next, I'm moving on to my dresser. I'm going to go drawer by drawer and take everything out one drawer at a time and see what I have to donate from my dresser. Starting off with the pajamas, I definitely can donate some of these pajamas. I also have some extra cosmetic bags, a little bowl that I kept rings in, a corsage, and a gift box. I don't need this anymore. A couple of extra wallets that I really don't use. I've already replaced them. Some more pajamas, and I have some robes that I never really wear. These can be donated as well as another change purse. I kept this for so long because I bought this on a vacation in Europe. However, I have used it so many times and now I don't use it anymore. More pajamas. Now let's go on to the bathroom and see what I have. Here's a towel that I don't use. This can definitely be donated, as well as this bathroom tray. I've replaced it with a nice bright porcelain tray. It's much nicer. Now let's go into the pantry and see what I can find in here. Oh, a pastry cutter. I never use this. I bought it so many years ago, and actually a couple of forks were much better when mushing up the butter. And some extra craft ribbon. A large platter holder. I don't need to stand up a plate in my kitchen or anywhere in my house. I won't be needing that. This plastic container with a lid. This can be donated as well. I have a drawer also in my kitchen with just a few miscellaneous things, and I definitely don't need this big whisk. I already have some new whisks that'll work much better. A couple of mirrors. I have some new hand mirrors. I don't need these any longer. Orange dice? Definitely not necessary. We were invited to a masquerade party once. I kept these for many years just in case we needed them. We've never needed them since, as well as these sunglasses that are too big and they fall down. I'll wrap them in this pillowcase that I'm going to be donating. Speaking of pillowcases and linens, I'm going to go through my linen closet and see what else I can find. Well, here are some pillowcases. I no longer need these. They're not the right color. And I have some extra bedding here too. Quilts, throw blankets, all sorts of things I won't be needing as well. I'll get these wrapped up. Oh, another quilt in my closet. This can go as well. Speaking of my closet, let me pull out a few things that I'm not wearing anymore. I'll get these wrapped up too. Some earrings. And here we have it. Look how many bags. We have come up with 5 large bags to take to the donation center just by going around the house and checking cabinets and drawers and closets. I cannot wait to get all of these extra things donated and dropped off today. I hope this video inspired you. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.